So in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the notification LED light around the camera or the notch in this device. If you are new in the channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. For this, we need to enable one application. I will give you the link in the description box. Please check it out. This is the application Always On Edge. Just install this application. Now we need to give some permissions. So this is the home page. Tap on main settings. Then here you can see the option required permissions. Tap on it. So in this page you can see lots of required permissions. We need to give all these permissions. So here I am going to give these permissions. After give all these permissions, tap on save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Then go back, tap on app settings. Then here you can see the option when to turn on edge lighting. So in this page we need to set when you want to turn on the edge lighting. So if you want to see the notification light when you receive any notification, then select this option and select the option always on or off your device. So if you want to see the notification light while you're charging your device, then select this option and select always off or on. Then if you want to listen, see the notification light while you listening a music, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light while you're making a call or receiving a call, then select this option. So when you plug in your headset, if you want to see this one, then select this option. So if you want to see the notification light after lock your device, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after unlock your device, then select this option. After give all these changes, tap on save at the bottom. Now you can see settings saved successfully. Now go back, tap on lighting settings, then tap on the option enable notch support, then select the option adjust manually. Then here you can see some notch type, other, O, U, V, narrow, V, wide. Here you can see a small light right around the camera. So you can adjust the notch width and height. So then tap on lighting placement to enable the LED light notification around the camera. You need to select the option around notch only. Then select the option edge style. So here you can see some notification light style. So here I am going to select the option follow, option edge color amount, tap on. So here I am going to select the option rainbow. Now you can see the rainbow ring around the camera. So if you want to increase the edge thickness, then go up and tap on edge thickness and increase this one. Then you can see the change, right? Then after give all these changes, tap on save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Now I will show you how it works. Actually, when you receive a new notification, then you can see the notification light around the camera. So here I am going to lock the device. Then just wait for a few seconds. Now also you can see the notification light around the camera, right? When you unlock the device, then also you can see the notification light. So here I am going to plug in my headphone. You can see. Then also you can see the notification light around the camera. You can see, right? When you're listening a music, when you're receiving a call or making a call, then all this time you can see the notification light. So here I am going to plug in my charger. Then also you can see the notification light around the camera. So you can see, right? So simply in this way you can enable the LED light around the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.